Hello. Today I'm gonna show you how you can use ChatGPT-4 completely for free instead of paying for it. ChatGPT-4 can be considered to be far more of a multimodal language AI model than the normal ChatGPT. It's really easy to do. You just go to this website here. It's called winner.ai, and I already have made an account, so it logs in automatically. It's really easy to do. As I said, you just go to the website and you can make a free account to use it. And after you've done that, you got full access to ChatGPT-4. And of course, I'm gonna show you how you can use it and what kind of templates you have. This is the explore page, so I think these are the most used templates that people use. Here we got the categories, and as you can see, you got so much for almost every niche, so it's really helpful. For example, if I have a meeting and I want to prepare for a meeting, you just type in your background and the background of the meetings, the goal, the special request if you have, and it will generate it for you. Today we are going to write an article. So here you put your information you want to include in your article and your goal. So what's the goal of your article? Who are you writing it for? What do you wish to accomplish? You can make it very easy and it will do the work for you. Here you can even put a link of the internet if you want, even documents, and it's so smart that it will still understand it if you put a link. So it will still write an article for you if you put your link. Here you put your details. Of course we want it to be professional. As you can see, I already made an article. I'm gonna show you now. It's right here. Sorry, here. So I searched on Wikipedia for artificial intelligence and I put the link in here. My goal is I want people to learn how AI works and what it is. I got one detail and that's professional, and easy as that. You got three points of how you want it. Then you click on generate, and I think that it writes the article in about 20 seconds, and it's really professional, as you can see. So that's proof that it really works, and as you can read, it's like a real article as how I want it, what I was looking for. And that's about it for today's video. I'm gonna leave the link in my description if you want to use winner.ai. It's not paid promo, it's just so I can help you out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.